Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the video. So today I'm basically just gonna be like catching you guys up, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of a harvest. But sorry, I haven't been recording. Uh, like okay, here I'll. So what I did is I bought two more grain carts, 64 bushel. I bought a diesel trailer. And then I bought this three-wheeler to go on the back of this Polaris General, so that like I can just keep the Polaris General here, and I can just pick up this, set it down here, and like run around the farm if I need to. So we got half of this field done, which is field 15. Got to about here, and we got about about 30% of this, about 35% of this field done, and we have not started on field 20 yet. So we finished field 5, and then yeah, so that's pretty much all we did, was just finish field 5 and start harvesting over there. I did sell oh my gosh, the semi truck oh, and I also bought a tractor, but we did sell the semi truck because we just did not have enough money, and we got a trailer too. But so this John Deere 8110, this is the exact one that we rented, and I returned the disc, and I wanted to keep this tractor, so I said, you know what, I'll give you guys 10 grand for this, and then I'll pay however much for the duals. He said, okay, you got yourself a deal. So excuse me, I got that for pretty cheap, and then a kid just showed up and he wanted to know if he could help harvest. Nope, he doesn't know. I don't really care, because as long as he's getting it done. So let's see. Let's check our yield. So let's go over here to yield. We did not do the best yield over here. This was about maybe. We did. Now I was pretty happy about that. Wait, right here. You can just barely see. It was about a 95% in like a very little spot. It's about a 99%. And I was really happy about that. I know it's not a ton, but oh look. Oh, so that wasn't anything over there. So we did get some green right there. If you can see the thing that's flashing. And then, let's see, what did we get that was... Okay, so you guys will see on this field the stuff that's flashing. That wasn't too good. Then let's see, did we have any stuff in red? Or 50? No. What about 75? Oh, okay. That was all of this. Pretty much. Well, most. So that is what a lot of our yield is. So the highest we got was 95. What about 100% yield? Okay, so yeah. So, oh, and then we got 90% yield here. You can see it's flashing. And then 90% yield here. So, anyways, that was pretty decent. So I'm just gonna throw this back up there. This thing is really light, so that's what's really nice about having this. So I can just toss it up there. And whoa, it's falling off the back. There we go. Perfect. So now we'll just strap it down. Perfect. It does. Oh, I gotta turn that tire the other way because that is like, it's fine. Like over here, it does slide into here a little bit, but that's fine. Alright, so we got a lot of corn in here. I do not know exactly how many bushels we have. Got 489 bushels. So we can put about 140, or no, 180, 75 maybe, I don't know. But I'm gonna bring this thing down here. We did not make most money on the grain for the first field, but we definitely made a decent amount. Okay, so right here okay, so he went in to go to the bathroom or something. I don't really know. So let me see. Here. Alright, so we gotta do this field right here. I'm gonna have him going up and down here. It will take just a tad bit longer, but not too much longer to go up and down here. So there we go. Oh, I don't know where the heck he was at. He might have been up top or something and then just jumped down. I don't really know. But anyways. So, oh, might want to get off the three-wheeler. It is it's really hard to see like the first cart right here. But, I mean, I can catch it. It's probably just like turn a little bit hard. But, yeah. So, whoa! Wait, what is he doing? Okay, I don't really care. I'll have him go make a pass. But, for the most part, he's doing pretty good. So now, pretty much, all we do in next video, that's how we stop. Pretty much, just in next video, whoa! So, you can go home for today. Come back. I'll call you later. So anyways, that's pretty much it for today. It's kind of a short one, but, yeah. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.